Seal of confession applies, even on a friendly visit like this week. But that's for sure, veritable.
Do you believe in the devil, father?
I mean, as a concept?
Do you believe in him? That he is in the world among us?
You want the short answer or the long one?
Just the truth.
When I was in the seminary, I was more studious than pious, more skeptical than most of my peers. I had this notion that the devil was inconsequential, a minor figure in the grand scheme of things.
Not very touchable.
Yeah. But in my defense, in the scriptures, the Hebrew word Satan actually means adversary. It can be any antagonist, humans and angels, snakes and kings. Medieval theologians reinterpreted those passages to think it was one monstrous enemy, but in fact it was just something to drive the people up to the churches. And in my youthful zeal, I labeled it as propaganda.
So you don't believe he exists?
Am I done talking?
Sure.
Years later, I was in Rwanda, helping the local churches provide aid to the refugees. I became close with the village leader, Gahiji. He had the respect of the entire neighboring villages. The militia, on the other hand, liked to force the villagers to attack their neighbor villages. Have a seat. But nobody dared raise a hand against Gahiji. They said, "How can we kill such a holy man?" So the militia commander sent soldiers with orders to cut his head off in front of the entire village. But Gahiji didn't put up a fight. He just asked for a chance to say goodbye to his family. And by the time he was done, the soldiers didn't want to do it. So they asked their commanders permission to shoot him, give him a quick death. The commander wanted to meet this man, the man who had earned the respect of so many. He went to his hut, talked with him for many hours, and in the end, he dragged him out in front of the entire village and hacked him and his family into pieces. And the man who took Gahiji's life, I saw the devil, Matthew. I saw it in his eyes. He lurks among us.
So what if you could have stopped him from ever hurting anyone again?
Stopped him how?